What's up, guys? So today I wanted to share this beautiful looking tabletop metal water fountain with you. My kids really liked it, so I ordered it. And as soon as it came in, my kids started playing with it. Like this is the video that you're seeing was made immediately after it was opened from the box, and I quickly assembled it and put some water into it, plugged a power bank into it, like no thought of actual power supply at all. And this is my son. He's not he's less than 2 years old, and you can see the happiness on his face. And even after many days, he still wakes up, uh, turns on this water fountain first, now that we have installed it on the wall, so and enjoys it. This video is actually a bit old. I am recording the voiceover after a few days, and this was when we first started playing with it. Now it is fully assembled on the wall, and you can turn it just like any other lights in the in your room or your home, and my kids really love it. So it has two functions. One is light, so two power inputs for USB. One is the light, circular light that you see, and other is this water pump that is underneath this plant looking. And this wheel is actually just through the motion or force of water. It is rotating through the force of water. You can just pull it out as well. It is just resting on the top, and water keeps rotating it. So we really loved it, and I wanted to share it with others as well. That's why it's just a short video, nothing special. But again, we loved it, we enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let me know what you think. Bye.